How to edit 3D models using Procreate on iPad. You first want to import the model from your files. Dismiss this. Tap the model on a specific panel, drag and drop the color to fill that panel. I use black to fill in this model, and it's easier to see when we switch to the texture in 2D mode. Here I'm selecting the white background and removing it, and then alpha locking this layer. It just makes it easier to edit. Now you can import your art from files or your photos. See here, I use files, imported and inverted the color of this logo, and placed it on the front of the t-shirt. Grab a second logo from files, place, resize. Repeat this process until you get the desired design and look. You can switch back and forth between 2D and 3D modes to see if the sizing and if the placement is correct and to your liking. After your design is done, you can switch back to 3D mode and rotate the model and see it in its complete form. Next, I'm going to place art, but using the projector mode in 3D mode. This is a little bit harder and a little bit more advanced, but you can kind of just place the images on the 3D model without having to switch back and forth between 2D and 3D modes. I'll use the advanced setting and then adjust the projector. As you can see, you can skew it up and down, left to right, 360, change the angle at which it's projected, and it kind of gives you like a quick look of what the shirt will look like, but I still suggest doing it in 2D mode. Now that I'm satisfied with this design, I'm going to export it. Procreate has 4 options of animated exports. Here I chose PNG. Web Ready is going to be one of the lower resolutions, but it's easier for uploads because it has a small file size. Here's the final product. This is a 4K MP4, and I also exported it in a PNG Web Ready format, which is lower resolution, lower file size. I hope this video helped you turn your idea to reality. Here's an example of how I used it for my brand and took a design from 3D to real life.